Class 3 Computer. Class 3 Computer. Today we are going to continue the chapter. Today we are going to continue the chapter Learning Logo. Learning Logo. As you are doing logo for the first time, so I think so the previous part which we have read, it's clear, but again I will recapitulate and then start with the new portion. Okay, as you have already learnt about logo and the parts of logo window, their functions and the logo turtle. So first I am going to do the recapitulations and then we are going to start today basic logo commands. The basic logo commands and how to close logo, and then solve the following exercises, and then we are going to solve the following exercises. So let's get started with the following chapter, that is Learning Logo. So now let us recap. What is programming? What is programming language, or what do you learning logo? Okay, so to work with the computer we use a computer languages. To work with the computer we use computer languages. They are called as programming languages. They are known as programming languages. There are many programming languages being used today. There are many programming languages being used today. People who write programs are called programmers. The people who write programs are called programmers. So to work with the computer, we use computer languages called programming languages. There are many programming languages being used today. People who write programs are called programmers. So logo was designed and developed by Barbaro Fusing, Cynthia Solomon. Barbaro Fusing and Cynthia Solomon and Seymour Papert in the year 1967. In the year 1967. Now, logo is not an acronym. Logo is not an acronym, but it is a dialect of Lisp's programming language. But it is a dialogue of Lisp programming language. Since this language supports graphics and logic. Since this language supports graphics and logic, it made a difference from earlier programming languages. It made a difference between earlier programming languages that supported only numbers. It is one of the simplest computer languages. The main aim is to teach the children to program. There are some features logo help us to learn, that is to write instructions to draw graphical pictures. We can draw graphical pictures in logo, do calculations in logo, and type the text in logo. So these are the three things which we can do in logo, that is draw graphical pictures, do calculations, and type the text in logo. The current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5b. The current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5b. Now, how to open a logo window? Start, then all program and Microsoft logo window. Start, all program and Microsoft logo window. So these are the way to open the logo window. Okay. Now, what are the parts of logo window? You remember? The logo window comprises of the parts as shown, that is the title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, commander window and input box. So what are the parts of window which contain logo? Title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, commander window and input box. These are the parts of logo. Now, what are the function of these parts? Title bar displays the name of a file. The title bar displays the name of a file. Menu bar displays various tabs and buttons. Menu bar displays various tabs and buttons. Graphic screen displays the results of instructions. Commander window area to view the entered commands. Input box area to type commands. So these are the functions of the parts of window which are present in the windows of logo. Now comes the logo turtle. The turtle is a small triangle that follows logo command. The turtle is a small triangle that follows logo command. It stays on the graphic screen only. It does not come to the commander window. It stays on the graphic screen. The two parts are head and tail. The head and tail are the two parts of logo turtle. It moves on its head and leaves the line behind. It moves with CAR. What is the full form of CAR? That is command, argument, the number of steps to move, return on pressing enter key. Command number A is argument, the number of steps to move, and R means return on pressing the enter key. We have to provide exact commands to the turtle by specifically mentioning the numbers of steps, and then press enter key, and then press the enter key. Then the turtle follows the command, and then the turtle follows the command and moves from its head and leaves a line behind. So this is what we have done before in the chapter. This was the small recap. Now let's get into the new portion, which is very interesting and very important. You have to go through by heart. Basic logo commands. To work with logo, we need the basic commands. Some basic commands. Now that basic commands are FD, BK, RT, LT and CS. So FD, BK, RT, LT, CL. So these are the basic commands of logo. Now let's read all the commands briefly. Now what is the full form of FD? That means forward. That means forward. So this command makes the turtle move forward. So this command makes the turtle to move forward. So see, using FD command, the turtle will move like this. So this is FD, that is forward command. Forward command. The format is, how to write, how to do that? FD, then you will give a certain space, number of steps, then space, and then enter. For example, you can write, see, FD 50 and then press enter. The turtle moves 50 steps forward and draws a line, and it draws a line. Now see what it is written in Tech Corner. Leave a blank space between the command and the number of steps. So leave a blank space between command and the number of steps and press enter key. And press enter key. The instruction within the bracket or the braces indicates the action. The instruction within the braces indicates the action. Do not type it along with command. Do not type it along with command. So this is the tech factor which you have read now. Now what is BK? BK means backward. BK means backward. This command makes the turtle move backward. This command makes the turtle to move backward. So you can see in using BK command. So again the format is same like FD only. What you have to do, that BK space, number of steps, and then put enter. So you can see BK space, then 100 and then enter. The turtle moves 100 steps backward in BK. Now RT. RT means right turn. In your book it's only written right, but please mention right turn. So RT means right turn. This command helps the turtle's head. This command turns the turtle's head to the right side in clockwise direction. In clockwise direction it moves the in right hand side. So again the format is same. That is RT space. Then you have to give degree. For example, 90 degree, 60 degree or 30 degree. In that way only it will move. And the turtle turns its head by 90 degrees. Now you can see over here turtle's head position for RT commands. Now if I press home, it will be in the middle and it will be straight. But if I press RT space 45, the turtle's head will move 45 degree. Then if I press RT space 90, the turtle's head will move to the 90 degree. And if I press RT space 135, the turtle will move right hand side to 135. And if I press 180, then the turtle will move right hand side to 180. So this is the process how which the RT commands work. Tech Corner. Tech Corner. We can run logo commands. We can run logo commands using keyboard by pressing execute button near the input box. So near the input box there is execute button. If we press execute button, we can run logo commands without using keyboards also. Okay. Now LT, that is the left turn. That is the left turn. This command turns the turtle's head to the left side in anti-clockwise. This turtle command helps to or turns the turtle's head to the left side in clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. The format is same in everywhere, that is LT space, the number of steps, and then press enter. You can see the turtle's head position or LT commands. Home is straight. LT means left turn 30 degree. LT 90 means left turn 90 degree. LT 135 means left turn 135 degree. And LT 180, that means left turn 180 degree. So these are some turtle's head position of when we use LT command, that is left turn and the right turn commands. CS means clear screen. This command clears the screen and brings the cursor back to the original position. This command helps to or clears the screen and brings the cursor back to the original position. So the format is CS and press enter. No numbers you have to press, only CS and press enter, and your screen is cleared. So what are the other commands which you can see? The other commands are home, PU, PD, HT and ST. So home, PU, PD, HT and ST. These are the other commands. Now we are going to read these commands briefly. Now home command. This command brings the turtle to its starting position. This command brings the turtle to its starting position, which is to the middle of the graphic window. Without clearing the screen. Only it brings the turtle to the middle position. The format is home and space enter. It should be in capital letter. Home and press enter. PU command or pen up. This command makes the turtle to lift the pen up. This command helps the turtle to lift the pen up and move without drawing lines on screen. The format is PU and enter. So these all the commands will be in capital letter. PU and enter. Okay. Now PD command, that is pen down command. This command orders the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and proceed with the drawing. So this format is PD space enter. Now you can see using PU and PD commands what we can make. So this is some for command. You can just practice these commands in your computer. Okay, like FD space 100 RT90 PU, FD50 RT19 PD, FD100 RT90 PU, PD50 FD50, and this has been drawn. So the pen commands acts like a normal pen. The pen commands acts as a normal pen. So these are the following of pen command. HT, that means hide turtle. HT means hide turtle. This command hides the turtle from the screen. This command hides the turtle from the screen, giving a clear view to the picture drawn. drawn. The format is HT and enter. HT and enter. Okay. Now comes ST command, that is show turtle. Show turtle. This command makes the hidden turtle to reappear on the screen. This command helps the turtle to reappear on the screen. Okay. So the format is again same. Just ST and press enter. ST and press enter. So you can see again a command is given there using HT and ST commands. That is FD100 LT90 HT, FD200 LT90 ST, FD100 LT90 FD200, then HT. So see, the drawing has been made but the turtle can't be seen because in the first and the last they said HT, hide turtle. Okay. Now how to close logo. So the very first step is, you can just click the cross button and logo is closed. But by command, with the help of by command, you can close logo. This command enables us to come out of the logo. This command enables us to come out of the logo. The format is same. Example BYE. That means it will be capital in letter BYE. Okay. And it brings the user to come out the logo. Come out of the logo. Now let us do the following exercises related to the chapter. Go through the chapter very well and practice in home. So let us start the following exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The logo turtle moves with dash. The logo turtle moves with dash. That is CAR. The RT command turns the turtle head to right side in dash direction. In clockwise direction. Dash and dash are the pen commands. So which are the pen commands? Pen up and pen down are the pen commands. HT command dash the turtle from the screen. HT command hides the turtle from the screen. Now match the following. You know how to do match the following. Just you have to write the correct numbers behind it. So see, as it is already done, so you please go through the chapter. State whether the following statements are true or T or F or false. People who write programs are called programmers. People who write programs are called programmers. True. The turtle is a small screen that follows logo command. The turtle is a small screen that follows logo command. False. CS command brings the turtle to its starting position. CS command brings the turtle to its starting position. That is true. By command helps us to come out of the logo. By command helps us to come out of the logo. That is true. Now let us do the following question answers of this chapter. So number 1, that is, what is logo? So what is logo? I am just giving down this answer because this answer is not in your book, proper answer. So I am giving you the definition of logo. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. Logo is a programming language used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. Drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. So this is the answer of logo. Now next, number 2, how does the turtle draw a line? How does the turtle draw a line? Number 3, write 2 commands to rotate the turtle's head. To rotate the turtle's head, that is right turn and left turn. RT and RT you will write in bracket. Okay. What is the current Microsoft Windows logo version? What is the current Microsoft Windows logo version? The current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5B. 6.5B. In which year logo was designed and developed? Logo was designed and developed in the year 1967. In the year 1967. So you all know these answers. So I'm just writing down the questions. I'm just discussing the answers with you so that it will be easier for you. Okay. So who are called programmers? Who are called programmers? The people who write programs are called programmers, right? Now the following full forms you have to do, and I'm giving you the first only one full form, that is logo. The full form of logo is language of graphics oriented. Language of graphic oriented. And then FD, BK, LT, RT, CS, PU, PD, HT, ST. So all these full form you already know from the chapter. So go through the chapter very carefully and follow all the learn all the question answers and everything, and practice the logo commands in your computer. Till then, thank you.